U.S. Drought Monitor, May 14, 2026. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 51.35% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 50.9% last week. About 153.4 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 153.3 million the week before. This week was defined by a significant precipitation divide, highlighted by a major deluge across parts of the South and Gulf Coast. Persistent storm systems funneled heavy moisture into Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. These areas got 4 to 6 inches of rain in total, with higher amounts in some coastal pockets, representing departures of 3 to 5 inches above seasonal norms. Another band of rain brought 1 to 3 inches to Texas through the Ohio Valley and into the Northeast. Meanwhile, the western U.S. remained exceptionally dry, with most areas west of the Rockies receiving less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. This lack of moisture, paired with blustery winds, triggered extreme fire danger across the upper Missouri Valley. The Northwest did see a bit of moisture by the end of the week. Temperature patterns showed an equally sharp geographical split. Unseasonable warmth gripped the west and parts of the south, while a significant cooldown settled over the northern plains and upper Midwest. High elevation regions of the west also saw winter-like conditions. The west and high plains saw mostly degradation this week, with some areas of improvement in California, Nevada, Arizona, Wyoming, Colorado, and Kansas. The southeast saw mostly improvement, with areas of degradation in Virginia and southern Florida. The rest of the lower 48 saw a mix of improvement and degradation to dryness and drought conditions. Puerto Rico saw an area of degradation this week, bringing abnormal dryness to the southeast side of the island. Alaska saw small areas of improvement. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the USDA, NOAA, and NASA. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.